Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi setting in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you connect Wi-Fi network in your Samsung phone. Guys, you want to connect Wi-Fi network in your Samsung phone, so guys you can connect it. And guys, now let's see how to connect Wi-Fi network in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys to connect your Wi-Fi network? So guys, you will have to click on guys your phone setting to connect Wi-Fi network. So if first setting guys, you can see guys your connection setting. So guys, you will have to click here. Then guys, you can see your Wi-Fi setting, tap here, and guys on your Wi-Fi guys, you can on and off your Wi-Fi from here. So guys, we will on it and guys with refresh. So guys, which network guys you have and guys you want to connect in your Samsung phone? So guys, I have guys this Mukesh. So guys, I will tap here to connect. Then guys, I will have to enter password. So guys, I will enter password. So I enter the Wi-Fi password, and guys you can check your password from here. Then guys you can see auto connect guys, you want to off and off, so you can off and on from here. So guys you can see guys this advanced connect. So we will tap here to connect. Then guys wait for 3 and 4 seconds, then guys, it will connect your phone. Guys you can see Wi-Fi has connected, and guys you can use guys Wi-Fi, like guys you can use guys YouTube, Chrome, Google app, Instagram, WhatsApp. And guys you don't have your mobile data, so guys you can connect Wi-Fi, and guys you can use your phone, means guys you can operate apps. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect Wi-Fi network in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Before going guys, please go and like my video.